This is my workstation. This is my workstation. This is where I do my cutting. This is my Delta Shopmaster. And this is where I do the cutting of the wood in the bus to get everything cut and lined up. So, and these are some of the pieces that I'm still using. I'm gonna use it up till it's like this, and still I'm gonna try to use some of it still, but I'll use it up in scraps. I got buckets here and front and baskets with scrap in it, and 1, 2, 3 buckets of sawdust, plus this one under here is 4. As you can tell, it's full of sawdust. And we will have everything that we need here. We're going to make sure that we make a video of everything. The bus going in. Bus. Oh yeah, okay.